Hi everyone, if you're looking for ways to look after your skin and improve any skin concerns whilst you're at home and whilst obviously we can't come into clinic and have treatments, then medical grade skincare is something that you could consider. I use Illumia MD in my clinic. I've been using it for around 18 months now. It's one of the best skincare brands around, very popular. It's come from Canada originally, Canada in the States, and it's been over in this country for a couple of years. And it's been taken off quite swiftly. Like medical grade skincare, it's not a prescription skincare. I would say it's more prescriptive. So it's a skincare range that you need to come and see us for consultation, or in this current time it would be a video consultation. We would assess your skincare needs, your skin type, talk about products that you used before, what has and hasn't worked, if you've used any treatments from your GP, and if they've had any effect. We'd also discuss your medical history and have a look at any medication you're on, see if that might counteract with anything. Now, medical grade skincare is it's a higher strength ingredients than products that you would buy in the high street. So products for anti-aging, to treat acne, rosacea, fine lines, etc. And it's made in a way that goes deeper down into your skin. So it's going to deliver more longer lasting results, whereas products that you buy on the high street generally tend to just sit on the surface of the skin and hide the problem. And sometimes they might have a high strength active ingredient, but it's not manufactured in a way that's able to get deeper down into your skin and to be delivered in a way that's not going to be irritant. So that's the way medical grade skincare works. The range that I use is Illumia MD, and it's a beautiful range. It's fragrance free, feels lovely. It's not going to be instant effects, so because it's going deeper down in the skin, it's working from the lower layers upwards. So expect to see results around about sort of 6 to 8 weeks, and you need very little of it. So it will cost you more than the high street stuff, but it's going to work better and it's going to last you a lot longer. If you're interested in any of these products, or you want to have a chat about your skin concerns, then send me a message and I'd love to hear from you. Take care everyone, stay safe.